Hey everybody, Chris Tuttle here with OverrideMarketing.net. I'll explain the .com later. Anyways, here to do a short video of how to set up a blog using blog software. But first you need to have a domain name, and I choose to get my domain name at GoDaddy. I've had an account for quite a few years with GoDaddy, and but I choose to host my domain on some other hosting service, and I use HostGator. So here in order to do that, you got to change the name servers to that hosting service. So I've already done that. I've already bought in the domain, and I've already changed the name servers. So here's the name servers, and see, I chose to use HostGator, and I changed it. It's real easy to do. You can go in there, you can add you can customize it, and you can add a domain, add a name, change it, and then you save it. But I've already done that already, so I'm going to cancel that. I've already done it. It should be there. I did it a few hours ago. So now I'm going to go in there and set up my blog. So I got this domain not too long ago. I just now changed the name servers about a few hours ago. So it takes a few minutes, an hour or so for the name servers to update to HostGator. So my domain will be there. And I also went into, now here I'm at HostGator.com, and it's in my cPanel. And I'm going down to, and I've already added my domain to this cPanel, to my account. I've already added it. So I put my domain name there, and put in a password, and it gives you a little green check mark to see if you're right. So I've already done this. You'll see right here, I am ChrisTuttle.com. It's right here. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to install the software for my blog. Now, I choose WordPress. So in the software services in the cPanel, so you've got the cPanel right here. It's got everything. Go down to software and services. Click install. It goes to Mojo. Mojo is affiliated with HostGator, if not owned by HostGator. I'm already signed into my account, OverrideMarketing.net. So I'm going into quick installs. I want to go into free installs. I like free. So I go right here, and then we go right here to WordPress for free. And then once you've done the name server transfer and you transferred your domain, it'll already be here. So here it is on ChrisTuttle.com. Then we want to put in our add email, so we'll go override marketing Gmail. Blog title is Chris Tuttle. Let's go capital. Chris Tuttle. That's the blog title. User's me. Type. Tuttle, and we click in back. I had to leave the path clear. It says install path. Just leave that blank, and then punch in the rest of the stuff. The domain, like we did before. The domain is first spot. Your email, the name of the administrator, and then push install, and you'll come up with this screen. Your install is complete. Click here to view your notifications. So your credentials will be emailed to you. So I'm gonna log in. And now you have a plain Jane WordPress.com. Or not WordPress.com, it's actually WordPress.org. WordPress.org is different from WordPress.com. WordPress.com is more popular. I should say more streamlined than WordPress.org. WordPress.org you own. See, I own this website, so WordPress, nobody can ever take this away from me unless I fail to pay for my domains every year. If I don't pay them, then I lose my site. If I don't pay for my hosting, then I lose my site. But this will forever be mine. And whatever I publish on there, nobody can take it away. They can never tell. They can suggest to take it away from me, but they can never take it away. If you had something that was published on WordPress.com and WordPress.com, or somebody didn't like what you wrote, they can literally take your site down. So I choose to do it this way. It's a self-hosting, a WordPress.org site, and it's my own. And that's why I choose to host my own websites on my own hosting service. Not my server, but somebody else's server. I host it and I pay a separate fee for that. So it's private, it's yours forever as long as you keep on paying for it. And then, so that's it. That's how you install a WordPress site, WordPress.org site, I should say. Totally different from WordPress.com. This is overridemarketing.net. Chris Tuttle sharing a piece of advice on how easy it is to install a WordPress.org site onto your cPanel or from your cPanel. Thank you.